I finally sold my Onyxcoin position, and within 24 hours, the entire Onyxcoin ecosystem shifted. If you are holding Onyxcoin right now, you need to see exactly why I did it and what it means for your Onyxcoin current position. At least that is what the market makers, the market manipulators, the whales wanted me to do. In fact, that's what thousands of panic retail investors just did. They saw the dip and they panic sold. But while everyone was selling, I found a piece of the data that almost every Onyxcoin investors are currently ignoring. I didn't actually exit my long-term Onyxcoin position. Why? Because I spotted a massive liquidity grab on the chart that suggests this isn't just a crash, it is a setup. If you sold, you might have just handed and lost your positions, your Onyxcoins, to the market makers and the whales for a discount. Now, in a few minutes from now, I'm going to be breaking down at least 4 specific reasons why I think the Onyxcoin ecosystem is actually stronger today than it was at the all-time high. We are going to be looking at a couple of data and also some update math behind why I think Onyxcoin is going to hit $1. Subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. Like this video, smash the like button if you're excited about Onyxcoin daily update. Now, if you're paying attention, the ratification of outstanding governance pool and community safeguard is now active. You can start voting, and the voting is now active. I brought this to you guys' attention in the previous Onyxcoin video. The voting is expected to end in the next 24 hours and 45 minutes. And as you can see, you just have to click on this area to connect your wallet. My wallet is currently connected, and then vote for. We talked about why we are to vote for in the previous Onyxcoin video as well. You can go watch it to bring yourself up to speed. And do not vote against. I think people are the current people voting against is 2%, while 98% is currently voting for. You just have to connect your wallet and then click on vote for to cast your vote. And so if you're paying attention to the chart, Onyxcoin is currently trading around 0.0052. We are left with 4 days and 7 hours until this current weekly candle comes to a close. And just like I said earlier, the bigger picture is telling us that this dip is not what we should panic. This is not a dip you should panic sell. Now, the reason why I said that is because if you're paying attention to the higher time frame, which usually filter out the noise, I looked at the 1-day time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and it's full of noise. There's no proper setup, high probability setup there. And so I came back to the higher time frame. Now, the higher time frame is clearly giving us a clear break of structure, fair value gap, and a clear point of interest here. World Uncertainty Index just smashed all-time high. The last time we went this high was during COVID-19, between 2019 and 2020. And when that fear was massive, what happened? A lot of smart investors quietly bought into BTC and other assets that were around then. And if you're going back to the others chart against the BTC pair, you will notice between that 2019 and 2020 was when the quantitative tightening came to an end. And when that happened, the others chart against the BTC pair exploded to the upside. If Onyxcoin were to be around during this phase, I believe Onyxcoin would have exploded as well to the upside. Quantitative tightening came to an end August 1st, 2019. And when that happened, the altcoin market bottomed and began to gradually rally aggressively into 2020. The 2019-2020 playbook is likely to repeat itself this 2026 and 2027. We are already seeing it before our very, very eye. And if you're paying attention, altcoins like Onyxcoin, XCN are not really dumping aggressively yet. That's why I believe the stop loss is not going to get hit. This is an obvious high probability setup. If we are fortunate enough for Onyxcoin to drop a little to trigger this our entry, the entry is between 0.0030 and also 0.0026. So between these two prices, you can set your DCA entry price. The Robinhood XCN referral program is now live for customers in the EU. More information is available for Robinhood EU user in the app. Terms and conditions apply. So feel free to participate in this referral program if you are an EU user. Now, if you guys are paying attention to the Onyxcoin Goliath bond mechanism, 10% of all network fees are going to be permanently burnt. 50,000 Onyxcoin will be removed daily. That is over 18 million Onyxcoin per year is going to be removed. And then 20 billion Onyxcoin has already been burnt, which is massive if you ask me. So the more usage Onyxcoin gets, the more the supply reduces. That is just it. The on-chain activity equals deflation. This isn't just hype. This is a clear math. And it's not, with this current system in place, it's not a matter of if Onyxcoin is going to hit $1. It's a matter of when Onyxcoin is going to hit $1, if you ask me. If you're paying attention to the BTC price, BTC is currently looking bearish, and that is why the orders chart against the BTC pair is currently looking bullish. That is to say, altcoins like XCN is currently outperforming BTC and also outperforming the market, in as much as XCN isn't rallying at the moment, but it isn't dumping as well. XCN is currently holding up well while BTC is taking a hit. BTC is dumping aggressively, and very soon I think we are going to, a lot of people thought the bottom is going to be 60k, but I doubt. We are going to lose that 60k very soon and tap into the 55k territory. The final cryptocurrency market bottom is likely to be in towards August 2026. Now, the truth of the matter is, between February and March is likely to be a mix of accumulation and relief rally. Then towards April, May, June, we are likely to get a massive run to the upside for Onyxcoin and for the altcoin market in general. And then I'm expecting the market to retrace aggressively and then bottom around August 2026, which is when I'm expecting BTC as well to tap into the 45k territory. I might be wrong. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, but the 55k territory is likely to be a bottom for BTC towards middle of this year, which is August, the month of August to be precise. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. But before then, we are likely to get a relief bounce, a relief rally, which is likely to tally with this setup, a relief rally for Onyxcoin aggressively to the upside. Let's see how it goes. The BTC dominance is here to dump aggressively to the downside. We are still waiting for that dump. The last time the dump happened in 2017 and 2021, altcoin market exploded. So if we are getting that dump once again, Onyxcoin is going to explode. XCN is going to explode aggressively to the upside. You get, that is just it. That is just it. There's not two ways about it. And yeah, so that's that for that. If you're even paying attention to the Onyxcoin liquidation heat map, this is I've already shown you guys the reason why I'm positive about Onyxcoin. The global uncertainty is an all-time high. The second reason is because of this voting currently going on and also the Goliath bond mechanisms. The third reason is because orders chart against the BTC pair is still holding up well. As a matter of fact, currently outperforming BTC and also alongside BTC dominance position to dump aggressively. Now, the third reason and fourth reason, depending on how you count it, is the whale's position. If you notice, the whale still have massive liquidity around 0.01289 for Onyxcoin. That's that for this video. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.